Welcome to another episode of Racing2Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses RC to get kids excited about math and science. Today we've got our ECX Ruckus two-wheel drive 10th scale monster truck. We're just going to go for a quick backyard bash. We're running our Venom 10,000 milliamp 2S battery. Just going to plug this in here. Put the body on and just going to grab the controller. And this is a much better truck than the Traxxas Stampede two-wheel drive, in my opinion. Just that extra 2 to 3 inches of wheelbase just makes a world of difference, especially when running on brushless power. You know, the Stampede two-wheel drive would just be wheeling the whole time. And they do come in at a similar price point. The Ruckus also, that extra length of the chassis allows you to run a greater assortment of batteries. Some folks even run this up to 4S. We've got our Venom 10,000 milliamp 2S pack in here, which is essentially the size of a 4S pack. And this truck just takes a beating. Yeah, just really like the 8th scale wheelbase. You know, the longer wheelbase of this just gives it a lot more stability. The parts just have the right amount of flex too. Haven't had to replace any arms or whatnot, or even steering knuckles like we have had to replace many times on our Slash and Stampedes here. So you know, it's kind of the best of both worlds. You've probably seen our Slash that's been converted over to a monster truck with the larger 2.8-inch tires. That requires significant investment if you're just starting out. You know, not only would you have to buy a Slash for however much those go for, but you'd have to, you know, spend the extra money, probably around $60–70 for some larger 2.8-inch tires like Prolines, like the trenchers that we're running, or you know, or you could buy some Traxxas 2.8-inch tires, but those are just pretty horrible. The talons, they call them, that come on the Stampede are just have horrible traction. You'd want to go for something better, like the stock tires on the Ruckus here are much better than those talons. They're actually pretty similar to the Proline trenchers in terms of the tread pattern. We're actually running those stock tires in the front and some trenchers in the rear. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you next time. Just an absolute joy of a truck to race.